Next in line, please. Step forward to the counter.
Hello.
Good morning. Passport, please.
Oh, wait. Where's my passport? Oh no. Ah, here it is.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm just looking around.
Looking around? Are you here for business or tourism?
Maybe a little bit of both? I amn't really sure.
You aren't sure. How long are you staying?
Maybe a few days? Or a month? I haven't decided yet.
Sir, you can't enter without a solid plan. Where will you be staying?
At a hotel, I think. I don't remember the name.
This isn't good at all. Please step aside, sir.
Oh no, this is a complete disaster.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English Stories Academy. As you just saw, our friend Matt is in big trouble. He is at the airport immigration counter, but he is completely unprepared. He doesn't know why he is traveling, he doesn't know his hotel name, and the officer is not happy at all. Going through airport security can be very scary if you don't know what to say. But don't worry. In today's video, we will learn exactly how to pass the border check. You will learn the 5 golden questions that immigration officers always ask. Before we start, here is your challenge question for today. What is the name of the hotel where Matt booked his room? Listen carefully to find the answer and write it in the comments below. Now, let's go back to 1 week earlier and see the story from the beginning.
Hey, Matt. Are you packing for your big trip?
Yes. But I'm feeling really nervous today.
Why are you nervous? You're going to London. Wow, that's so exciting.
I know, but the airport really scares me.
The airport? Flying isn't scary.
It isn't the flight, it's the border check. The immigration officers are terrifying.
No, they aren't. They're just normal people doing their job.
I don't know, Sarah. My English isn't perfect. I can't understand them when they speak fast.
Listen to me. You'll be absolutely fine. We can practice right now.
Really? You'll help me?
Of course. There are 5 golden questions. They always ask these 5 things.
Oh, wow. Only 5 questions?
Yes. If you know the answers, you won't have any problems.
Okay. Let's do it. What's the first question?
The first one is, what is the purpose of your visit?
The purpose. That means, why am I traveling?
Exactly. You shouldn't say, I don't know. You must be very clear.
Right. I'm going for a holiday. So I'll say, I'm here for tourism.
Perfect. Or you can say, I'm here on vacation.
I'm here on vacation. Okay, that's easy. What's next?
Question number 2, how long are you staying?
Oh, that's simple. I'm staying for 2 weeks.
Excellent. Always give a specific time. Never say maybe.
Got it. I'm staying for 2 weeks. What's the third question?
Where will you be staying?
I booked a nice room at the Royal Hotel.
Good. You should bring a printed paper with the hotel address.
Oh, smart idea. I'll print it tonight.
Question 4, what is your occupation?
Occupation. What does that mean?
It means your job. What do you do for work?
Ah, right. I'm a graphic designer.
Great. They ask this to make sure you have a job back home.
That makes sense. I won't forget that.
And the final one, question 5. Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do. My flight back is on the 25th.
Wow, you're completely ready, Matt.
Whew. Thank you, Sarah. I feel much better now.
You're welcome. Are you packing a heavy jacket? The weather in London is very cold next week.
Yes, I'm taking 2 jackets. My suitcase is very heavy.
Make sure it isn't too heavy. The airline won't accept it.
I weighed it this morning. It's exactly 20 kilos.
Perfect. Just remember to smile and speak clearly at the border.
I'll try my best. I won't panic this time.
Excuse me, is this seat 14B?
Oh, yes. I'm right here in 14A.
Great. Nice to meet you. I'm John.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Matt.
Are you excited about the trip?
Yes, I am. But I'm a little tired right now.
Me too. It's a very long flight. 10 hours.
Ugh, I know. I can't sleep on airplanes.
Did you eat the lunch on the plane?
Yes, I did. I ate the chicken.
Was it good? I slept through lunch.
No, it wasn't very good. The chicken was really dry.
Airplane food is always terrible.
Well, we're landing soon. Just 1 hour left.
Really? Wow, time flies. Is this your first time visiting London?
Yes, it is. I'm really excited to see the big city.
It's a fantastic place. Are you staying for a long time?
I'm staying for 2 weeks.
Nice. That's plenty of time. Where will you be staying?
Oh. You sound exactly like an immigration officer.
I'm sorry. I'm just curious.
It's totally okay. I actually need the practice. I'm staying at the Royal Hotel.
That's a very nice area. It's very close to the museums.
Good to hear. I've got all my papers printed and ready.
You're very organized. You won't have any trouble at the border.
I hope so. I don't want to get nervous and freeze.
Just take a deep breath. You'll be fine.
Thanks, John. I'm feeling ready for this.
Next person, please. Step up to the counter.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Passport, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Let's see. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here on vacation.
Very good. How long are you staying?
I'm staying for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay. Where will you be staying?
I have a reservation at the Royal Hotel. Here's the printed address.
Ah, perfect. Thank you. And what is your occupation back home?
I'm a graphic designer.
That's interesting work. Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I do. My flight back is on the 25th. Would you like to see the ticket?
No, that isn't necessary. Do you have anything to declare today?
Declare? What does that mean?
Are you bringing any fresh food, plants, or a large amount of money?
Oh, no. I don't have any of those things.
Excellent. Everything looks perfectly fine.
Oh, wow. Really?
Yes, you're fully prepared today. Welcome to London, Matt. Enjoy your trip.
Phew. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Wow. That was so easy. Being prepared really makes a huge difference. Remember, the officers aren't your enemies. They just need to keep everyone safe. If you smile and answer clearly, you'll finish in 2 minutes. Now it's your turn to practice. I'll ask you the 5 golden questions. You repeat the answers out loud. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. What is the purpose of your visit? Now you say, I'm here on vacation. Question 2. How long are you staying? Now you say, I'm staying for 2 weeks. Question 3. Where will you be staying? Now you say, I'm staying at the Royal Hotel. Question 4. What is your occupation? Now you say, I'm a graphic designer. Question 5. Do you have a return ticket? Now you say, yes, my flight is on the 25th. Excellent job. You sound totally natural. You won't ever feel scared at the airport again. Keep practicing and I'll see you next time.
How was the story? I hope you feel much more confident about airport immigration now. Matt learned the 5 golden questions with Sarah's help, and when he arrived in London, he passed the border check easily. Now, let me ask our challenge question again. What was the name of the hotel where Matt booked his room? Did you catch the answer? Please write it in the comments below using a full sentence, like Matt booked a room at the... Practicing your writing is a wonderful way to improve. Here at Slow English Stories Academy, we share slow and clear stories to help you learn English step by step. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next story. Thank you so much for learning with us today. Have a safe trip, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.